Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but we are back and I'm ready to show you what we have been working on. As you seen at the beginning of the video, we put a platform deck outside. It was a 16 by 20 and we put a gazebo on it. So stay tuned and keep on watching for what we have done. Right here, Des is getting ready to weed eat the area, and he's going to put some boxes down so that we can make this area look good because it looks very trashy right now. So we purchased a fake plant, and the plant was $30, you guys. We got it off of this website called Bidding King. So we bid on it, and it's 10 feet. It's super nice. We decided to go with fake flowers in the front because we wanted less bugs and bees and things like that. So we still have our garden, but in the front it will be a lot of fake or artificial flowers. To make it look a little bit more realistic, we did use soil and we also added rocks. We had some leftover mulch from when we purchased it during the memorial sale. So we are now waiting for another sale to come about. And I think they're going to have one for the 4th of July. So we're just waiting to get the mulch again, 5 bags for $10. We stained the deck. We did not film that part, y'all. We had to stain it twice, but it turned out pretty good for our first stain. It kept raining, so it wouldn't dry correctly. It was just a hot mess, but it actually turned out pretty good. So we stained it Jacobian with the Jacobian stain, and it's finally dry now, thank God, but it rained for a long time. Anyway, we added the fake rugs of the Funk's grass there to give the deck a pop of color. And right now they're putting a gazebo together that we got from Bidding Kings for $100, y'all. It was such a good deal. We went into Big Lots looking at gazebos, and they had the soft top gazebo for $698. That was crazy. So we wound up getting this one off of the website called Bidding Kings, which you have to bid on to get the items, but we won it for $105. So we decided to keep the color scheme going. So we changed out the rug and put a Funk's green grass rug up on the top of the deck where it's kind of open at to match the rest of the theme. And we also went with the turquoise and the dark blue to keep it going and keep it cohesive throughout the porch. We also got this umbrella for $45 from Bidding Kings, and I want to show you guys that it does light up. It's super duper nice. We are so far from done with this area. I can't wait to show you guys all the fun things and all the plans that we have for this space. The pool is temporary. We will be placing a pool in the front, and we will be putting like a couch on the inside, so just stay tuned. We're not done yet. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. All right. Peace.